Right. Hi. You're being so camera shy. See, this is for Daddy. This is for Dad. Yeah. Do you remember Dad? Can you say hello to him? Say hello. Yeah. Say hello. Say, guess what I'm doing? Taking a bath. Okay. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to your daddy. Say bye-bye to your dad. Say I love you, miss you.